Today we're installing the new MODZ Top Shelf Golf Cart Canopy Storage on this Denago Nomad. Your kit should include the following items. If anything appears to be missing, double check the box and packaging first, since smaller hardware can sometimes get tucked away during shipping. Here are the tools you'll need for the install. Start by peeling off the protective plastic. Feel free to leave some of it on the flat sides during installation to help protect the polycarbonate from scratches. Using a 10mm socket, remove just one of the two bolts securing the cart's canopy to the front upright. Then hand tighten one of the included 13mm bolts and washers in its place, ensuring to leave enough clearance to slide the overhead console between the upright and the washer. Now repeat the same process for the second bolt and the passenger side upright. We're doing one bolt at a time so you don't have to hold the canopy up during the install, and it also makes lining the bolts back up much easier. Next, remove the two 10mm bolts securing the mirror bracket to the cart. Hang on to the two acorn nuts and washers from the mirror assembly. After removing the bracket and mirror assembly from the cart, remove the top nut securing the bracket to the mirror using a 13mm socket while holding the nut between the bracket and mirror with a 12mm wrench. Hang on to everything except for the bracket, since we'll be reinstalling the rest of the hardware in just a moment. Next, grab the overhead storage console, lift it up to the four hand-tightened bolts on the cart's uprights, and slide it into place. Keep those bolts loose for now. Slightly lift the storage console and slide the last two included 13mm bolts and washers through the front mounting holes where the mirror assembly was originally mounted. Reinstall the black washer and acorn nut from the mirror assembly onto the opposite side of the new bolts. Now use a 10mm socket and wrench to fully tighten those bolts. You can now fully tighten all four 13mm bolts on the cart's front uprights, securing the storage console in place. Grab the mirror and the 13mm nut. Then insert the mirror stud through the center hole in the storage console and tighten it down using a socket and wrench. You can now insert both dividers into the vertical slots shown on screen by sliding them into place and pressing down gently. These dividers are optional, so if you'd rather have more open storage space, feel free to leave them out. You're all done. If you have any questions about the install or have any issues with your product, feel free to give us a call. You can find our contact info on ridemods.com. See you in the next one.